Hi everyone, and welcome to the Arduino Fundamentals course. I'm Sean, and in this course, I'll give you the basic building blocks for programming the Arduino, as well as creating custom circuitry in order to support it. I'll give you the specifics on how to use some components like LEDs, motors, and accelerometers, and then ask you to apply those skills to create several projects. Over the past few years, I've helped people get started with programming, electronics, and microcontrollers through written tutorials, videos, and in-person classes. Arduino is a hardware platform and software that helps people build digital devices and interactive objects, like this remote light switch. In this hands-on course, we'll look at the software and hardware side of using an Arduino. The first few sections are dedicated to covering the basics in programming, as well as electrical engineering, such as performing basic arithmetic, using arrays, reading schematics, and applying Ohm's law. From there, we'll move into more advanced topics like controlling LEDs and reading input from buttons and knobs. I'll show you how to connect a character LCD and sound buzzer to get some feedback from the Arduino. We'll talk about reading information from electronic sensors in order to have the Arduino respond to events in the physical world, which pairs nicely with the robotics section when we learn how to control motors. Finally, we'll explore the basics behind the Internet of Things, which involves having the Arduino retrieve information from and post information to various sites on the Internet. At the end of the class, I'll give you creative freedom to design and build your own Arduino-based project. I am a firm believer in project-based learning. For me, nothing helps me learn something better than by doing, so I offer you the same opportunity in this class. Most of the lectures are followed by a quick, homework-style problem that challenges you to implement something that you've learned from the previous lecture. I will provide solutions to these problems so you can check your answers. If you find that you already know a topic in a lecture, you are welcome to skip that lecture, but I highly encourage you to try each challenge, as that's where you will be able to push yourself and learn the most. Additionally, most of the sections contain a project where I challenge you to build something that uses many of the concepts found in lectures from that section or from previous sections. Because projects are fairly open-ended, I won't provide solutions, but you'll know that you got the right answer when your project does the actions laid out in the project description. At the end of the course, there is a final project where I challenge you to create something, anything you'd like, as long as it contains an Arduino. I have found that by allowing students the freedom to create something they're interested in, they're more likely to push themselves to learn, as well as ultimately have fun with the material. Confidence comes with practice, and the more you practice with electronics, programming, and Arduino, the more you're going to be able to see how to use these skills to create cool toys, interactive art, and useful projects. Arduino has a huge community that loves to share what they're making. If you head to hackster.io/Arduino, you can see some of the really cool projects that people have made. Hopefully, these will inspire you to make something similar or give you ideas for your own original project. Throughout this course, I'll also encourage you to share your projects with the class by posting them to Hackster. While that part is optional, sharing is part of the Maker community, as it allows you to inspire others, ask questions, and get feedback. If you feel stuck, don't be afraid to ask questions in the Q&A, and if you feel inspired to help others, help out by answering some of the questions there as well. Studies have shown that you retain knowledge better by teaching others. But the most important thing in this class is to have fun with it by making something. Happy hacking!